Do you feel like it's almost impossible to lose weight and achieve the slim and sexy body you desire? Do you feel envious of those people who seem to eat whatever they want yet remain slim and healthy? If so, make sure you pay attention to this short video because inside you're going to discover the 3 best foods you can eat to lose weight fast. Before we get started, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat-Storing Foods Report. Or go to femalefatburningsecrets.com/15foods. Best way to lose weight fast for women, top 3 fat-burning foods. 1. Egg yolks. Yes, that's right, fatty egg yolks that are full of cholesterol. Did you know that the majority of the population have been misled to believe that egg yolks are bad for your health? In reality, the cholesterol in egg yolks raise your good cholesterol levels and contain many fat-burning health benefits. Egg yolks are also one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet and contain large amounts of vitamins, minerals and trace nutrients. The best time to eat eggs for weight loss is first thing in the morning. By starting your day by eating eggs, you will be eating a nutrient-dense and satisfying snack that keeps insulin levels low and allows for your body to access stored body fat for energy. Just make sure you don't add any kind of bread or refined carbohydrates to your breakfast plate. 2. Avocados. Avocados are another fatty food that have been mislabeled as being unhealthy due to the high fat content. What most people fail to realize is that the fat in avocados is extremely beneficial fat for weight loss and overall health. They also contain beneficial fiber, antioxidants as well as vitamins and minerals. Add half an avocado to your eggs for breakfast for the ultimate fat-burning breakfast. 3. Grass-fed beef. Most beef you see in the grocery store is grain-fed beef that comes from unhealthy cattle, and as a result have unbalanced ratios of omega-6 to omega-3 fats. Grass-fed beef has been shown to have much higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and lower omega-6 fats, which most people consume too much of. Grass-fed beef also contains much higher levels of many vitamins and minerals, as well as higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid, which is a healthy type of fat that has been proven to help with building muscle tone and increasing metabolism and fat burning. If fat loss is your primary concern, be sure to add grass-fed beef as a staple in your diet. Are you going to start adding any of these 3 fat-burning foods into your diet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat-Storing Foods Report valued at $19.95. Or go to femalefatburningsecrets.com/15foods.